We do bring our lovely ladies of Hawaii at this time to share the implements of theirs. These implements are made in Hawaii. It can be used in music, also used in dancing. As we share with you tonight, Kaimana Hila! Everyone, please say mahalo. Mahalo. Mahalo meaning thank you very much to our lovely ladies of Hawaii. Fiji. The exciting islands of Fiji, with the warriors of Fiji that are well known because of their energy and their strength. Tonight, our warriors of Fiji share with us the Mekewesi, better known as the Fijian spear dance. In Fiji, we welcome you by saying, Pula Vinaka! Pula Vinaka!
Isa pula vinaka, isa pula vinaka. Tachura mara chura.
Hai, hai, hai!
Makarau, makarau, makarau. Bakke!
Ila senigo, la 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 ko, la 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 ko, ya ni o na sina ko, la ya da e, la ya da e, la ya da e. Hey! Our warriors of Fiji. Binakabakalib. Nizambula. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm told that this time is the last call for the drinks. If you want to get that last drink, this will be the good time to get it. Mahalo. And we do like to take a little break from our journey through the South Pacific Islands, acknowledging some of the friends celebrating special occasions tonight. Do we have any birthday celebration tonight? If you're celebrating your birthday, can you please stand up? Please rise. We have a few. Let's give a round of applause to our birthday friends. Happy birthday, and please remain standing. We dedicate this song to all our birthday friends. Manwilo Wasapana, Manwilo Wasapana, Manwilo Wasapana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to all of you. Can everyone please sing together? Happy birthday to you. Let's give another round of applause to our birthday friends. Mahalo for celebrating your birthday with us tonight. You may be seated. Mahalo. We have a group of friends celebrating new beginning because they just got married. Do we have any newlyweds tonight? If you're here, please rise. Please stand up. Newlyweds, not tonight. Oh, we have one. Let's give them a round of applause, family. Oh, there's three back there. You know what? And we have the honor of your presence on the stage, please. Our newlyweds. It's your celebration. We just want to help you and make it more special this evening. Yeah? Just come up the stairs on the left side of the stage. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with us this evening. Yeah, awesome. Thank you once again for sharing. Mahalo. How many days of marriage for you guys? A month for you and 2 weeks for you. It's okay. Sometimes we fall asleep. We come with a different number. Let's give them a round of applause. They've been married 2 weeks or 1 month. How many days for you? Huh? 6 months. Thanks for waiting. I just want to say thank you for waiting to celebrate with us tonight. Thank you for being here. Let's give this couple a round of applause. And how many days for you? 3 days? Oh, 3 months. Let's give them a round of applause to our lovely honeymoon couple right here. And how many days for you? 8 days. 8 days, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Thank you. Please don't leave. Stay on the stage for a minute. Something coming for you. While we're waiting, do we have anniversaries? Any anniversary couples? Please rise. Please stand up if you're celebrating your anniversary. We have 1, 2, 3. Let's give a round of applause to our beautiful anniversary couples. Can I invite all of you in front of the stage, please? You can come in the front right here. Wow. Congratulations once again. How many years of marriage for you? What? Are you serious? You guys look very young. I mean, when did you start at elementary school? 40 years of marriage. Right here in front of me. Congrats. 40 years. What's the secret? How did you do it?
I don't know.
Honesty. He's an honest man. How many days, how many years for you? And we have 7 years for this couple. Let's give them a round of applause. And for you, 35. Let's give that couple a round of applause. 35 years. And for you, 31 years. Please give them a round. This is awesome. Just want to make sure I say hello to all of you. How many years for you? 30 years for this couple, ladies and gentlemen. And for you, 25 years. Let's give them a round of applause. And for you, 10. 10 years. Still smiling. Turn down this side, it's way too loud, please. 10 years. How many years for you? Can I have you guys on the stage, please? Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a Hawaii 5-0 coming on the stage. Look at them. Having no problem climbing the mountain. Right here, right here. You have your own line. Thank you so much. 50 years of marriage. What's the man? Come on, sound. What's the magic? How did you do it? Just keep smiling. Yes. Nice to meet you. 50 years of marriage. Yeah, let's give them another round of applause. I want you guys to be in the front so everybody can see you on your celebration tonight. Because you know, I grew up watching and taking care of my mom and dad. They've been married 60 years. So I can't thank you enough to mom and dad for everything that they've done for me. Because the truth is, without mom and dad, I wouldn't be here. They made me who I am and what I am, especially for someone that was born and raised in the jungle. I am a jungle man. I have 7 sisters and 2 brothers. All of us live with mom and dad in the same open hut in the forest. It was an incredible way to learn so much about family values, working hard, working together. Mom and dad both move on to the next life, so I miss them very dearly. But I'm never shy to tell this story because I feel that all of us need to celebrate each and every day, family. Because we just never know. We just never know what tomorrow will bring. And what happened a few years ago was we lost too many lives, friends and families. It's time to take life seriously and celebrate with our loved ones each and every day. My dad didn't train me about the virus. He trained me to learn to survive and live off the land. He trained me to become a leader, and I became chief when I was 21 years old. I was young, but I accepted the challenge and responsibility representing all of Polynesia to the world of culture. Mama is a queen of medicine in the jungle. I grew up in medicine from trees. She's a queen of flowers. The hut we live in the jungle was surrounded by beautiful flowers. And Mama always tells me that the flowers represents beauty. The flowers represents life. The flowers represents love. As you receive the flowers tonight, please do me a big favor. Please turn and look at each other. Look at your own wife. Can you please repeat after me? I love you. When was the last time that you guys danced under the moonlight in front of everybody? Tonight is the night to celebrate. Dedicate our version of the Hawaiian wedding song so you can celebrate. To our friends out there, if you feel like celebrating, by all means, you can move aside from those seats and tables. Let's dance. Let's celebrate life and love together. Our version of the Hawaiian wedding song. This is the moment. I waited for. Oh, I can hear do love you. Congratulations to all of you. May God bless you and continue to celebrate. Thank you so much. Mahalo. Please give another round of applause.